Some years ago, if somebody told me that something like that would happen, I'd probably not believe it. Welcome to the biggest trip of my life. Welcome to an Erasmus diary.
So we were supposed to go deer watching and deer spotting, and just 30 seconds after we went next to the river, there it is. Like, right behind there. Come on, you mother. So while we're on the walk, my landlady sends me this. Ti porto un letto nuovo. Sei in casa, Mirna? Let's build the bed.
In Italy, as in most European countries, students live in shared, furnished houses, and that's an advantage, since you can easily move from place to place without getting too attached to a house. Also, you don't have to pay for the furniture when you start university, and it's the landlords who change the furniture. In my case, my previous flatmate had asked for a brand new bed, and the landlady brought one that it was in a really good shape.
Of course I forgot to dismantle this one. Oh, yeah. That's a victory. I have to solve this issue here. Yeah. Shit. I'm gonna show you something, right? Because the only time we crossed the river was at night. So I want to show you how it is now that it's morning, even though the weather is not so nice these days. We come here with friends at night, usually to just have a walk or something. You may know only the one in Firenze, but no, every river has a Ponte Vecchio usually, because there was an old one and then they built the second one, and it's Ponte Nuovo e Ponte Vecchio. We went to fix our bikes, and I think I did a good job because now I have brakes, but something's wrong again, so I have to go again. Listen, see? The wheels, the structure of, you know, I don't know, everything feels weird about this one. Che coño è stesso? This is where you go and fix the bikes. It may not seem like it, but there's actually everything you want here. The tools, there's air. Anyway, let's start working because my camera is dying, and I want to show you what we're gonna do today. Pocket is dead for the first time ever. These pads here, they touch the wheel, and if I do this, they touch the wheel from the other side here. So now I have to like loosen them a bit. I don't know, we'll see. At least we have our back brake that's working, and that's good because I was just putting my feet down and trying to brake with my shoes. I don't have any. I cannot brake. No. I think this is my favorite part of the city, if I'm honest, because it's chill, you know. Nothing's going on here, just you, the river. You guys know how much I love nature. So yes, for me this is top quality shit. Good morning everybody. Today is Saturday. Today is a day where we chill, we stay in Cesena. I'm not going anywhere, I'm just gonna chill and make some pancakes. First of all, I need an egg beater. The thing like, it's like this. And then I need a bowl, because we don't have a bowl. Quanto costa? €2, grazie. Apparently it's obligatory to wear a mask in the market, I don't know. So I got these for €1. A bowl and a neck beater for like €3. That's cool. Let's go bake some pancakes, guys. Bye.
Allora, oggi prepariamo le For this recipe, as well as other ones that I have from these months, you'll have to follow my TikTok account, where I'll be posting the full recipes in 1-minute videos.
1 month after being here in Cesena, I finally get to have the contract on my hands. But we're not done yet. I just need one more thing, and that's €60 for paying my part of signing the contract. Right now I'm going to the ATM to get some money, and then we're going to fly the drone, Nuria's drone. I hope she charged it. I hope it's full of battery now and we can fly. And it's sad, you know, I don't have a drone, and she does. Nuria, give me your drone. In Greece we have a lot of ATMs. Here, no.
A lot of people level vitrina. Nega που ζητήσει πιο πολύ από την κοκάινα στο μασά στον πελάτη. €60. Conferma.
Alright, I got the money. I think this is the last step we have to do in order to validate the fact that I have a house to stay and I'm not homeless. This week's vlog might be terrible, but this is the reality. From day one, I've been showing you the reality. I'm not gonna act like something happened that didn't happen. I'm always and only gonna show the reality. If reality is boring, I'll show the boring reality. So I'm trying to show that it's not always like wow, perfect and everything. I mean, this week has been great as well, but there may be weeks that are not so good, where I'm just bored, or there's nothing to do, or something went wrong, or I just have to show every aspect of being in Erasmus. That's why I started vlogging. That's why I am vlogging. I mean, okay, it was great, but it was great in a private way. I mean, I hang out with some friends and stuff, but this is private and I'm not putting in the vlogs. I didn't vlog about it. And now that I'm here for like a month, everything has started to settle, and there's not so much going on really. It's just hanging out with friends, not many new things happening. I don't know, but I like it. I like the new reality, I have to say. I thought you knew how to actually fly the drone. No, go back. Come back to me. We just lost the drone like 5 seconds after takeoff. I gotta go pick it up now. Facile. Cojonudos. Let's try again. No, coño.
How do you stop it?
No, go slowly. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm letting go. Go. Go back. I love the fact that it's so bad. The quality is so. No, I love it.